2022 Ford Explorer, customer concern, cup holder fell through. Now, I already fixed the issue, but these things, the problem is these little plastic welds here don't hold up. You're slamming your drink in, whatever. Fixes these little self-tappers. There's enough lip here for self-tappers. And it holds it way better than those little plastic nubs. I did have to slide the center console back just because I was getting caught up right here. I'm pulling this out, but it's just boom, slides up from the top. And then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different plugs on this thing. But once you get that, you can just pop this out, get it's all clipped in. And yeah, I just flipped her over and inserted 4 self-tappers per cup holder. And that is way better. I've been seeing where people just been replacing the cup holders, but that's not really a fix. That's, I mean, you're doing all this work and then this just happens again. But this, I mean, these will hold up. Yeah. And all I did was refix this plastic band, because when it fell through, this plastic band just fell off. And that's for the, let me flip this over, for these little nubs. Look at that. Way better. It ain't falling in anymore. Yeah, not bad. Just 2 10s on this side, 2 10s on this side. Obviously, you gotta take these little plastic covers off. And all I did was disconnect those 2. There's the USB one over here, but I don't worry about that. Disconnected these 2, slid this back, use my trim tool, pop the clips. They just came out. Now all I gotta do is put this back in, but I can show where these screws are. Oh, and I forgot. Those 7s, a 7 over here, and 7 over there. Right there. Pretty straightforward. Now I got the top on, hop back in, and then now all you gotta do is just slide it in. I'll plug these in before I go any further. Just plug them in like that. And then, if I set this down properly, so you guys can see. Bingo. Slid in. You see where that 7 goes. The 10 goes right there. And then the other 10 goes in the back. Takes a while. Give it a sec. And there's other 10. Same as the other side. 10 in the back, 10 in the front, on the middle, 7 in the front. These 2 plugs. Like I said, there's that USB one, but I never disconnected it because I had enough wiggle room. Yeah, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Works again. Everything turns on. When I get these in, then I'll just pop the cover on and it's all done. No more cup holder issue. Here, all I did was tuck this back here See, all the way back. Look at that. In. Oh, I caught under the seat. Hold up. Kind of hard doing this in one hand. But you get that pin in. And then all it is just slap, slap, slap. And this big trim tool comes in handy. In perfectly. Now I just gotta do the other side. Same thing. Alright, got it all back in. Now we're all straight. Perfect. Neutral. Goes in the drive. Everything works perfectly. Our modes still work. Everything still works perfectly.